Hello, hello, hello! My name is Chantsy and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I do everyday easy makeup looks, I do size 16 fashion or size extra large, and I bring you 100% pure Canadian content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're looking for exactly that, and if you're on Instagram you can always follow me on Chantsy. Welcome to my first Choose Your Own Adventure Do My Makeup video series, which means it's an interactive video series where you get to choose the path of my makeup. From what I understand, this interactive video series will only work on your phone or on your computer, so if you're watching from a TV, you might want to switch methods. So here's how it works. I'll be doing my makeup one phase at a time. And when it's time to make a selection, you'll see two videos here and here. There are two buttons that you can press on. And this way you can decide what path you want the makeup look to go. You have about 20 seconds to make that selection. If you don't make a selection, the video ends there and you'll have to start all over again. And don't forget, if you're curious about the rest of the looks, you can always come back to this primary video and start the loop once again. And of course, just like any choose your own adventure, we're always curious about the other outcomes. So if you want to start from scratch, this is the first video to watch. I'm just going to prep my face and we can begin soon. So for my base today, I used Revlon's Rose Glow Hydrating Illuminating Primer. I also added in a few drops of the Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops from Drunk Elephant and one drop of the Teint Idole Ultra Wear in 330 Bisque Neutral. Next I'll be using this Cover FX color corrector. This is in the color Peach. It's really great for hiding blue veins or some purple areas that I have under my eyes. I want to keep my skin fairly natural looking for these videos, but I'm just going to use a tiny bit of Il Maquillage Concealer. This shade is 3.5, and I'm just going to put some under my eyes and just do some spot correcting. For my brows, I used a combination of 24-Hour Brow Setter and Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. In this series, the variables will be my eyes and my lip color, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish my base with some bronzer, some blush, and I've done my eyebrows already. For bronzer today, I used the Laguna Powdered Bronzer. And for blush today, I'm using Nudies Nude Sticks in the color In the Nude. For highlighter today, I'll be using the Chic to Chic Pillow Talk. It's a combination of blush and highlighter, and I just love the natural finish. Okay guys, my neutral base is complete. This will be perfect for any makeup look. Now it's your turn to decide. Would you like to see a black wing liner? If so, click over here. If you'd like to see a brown smoky eye, click over here. Make your selection now. You've got 20 seconds.